we are right back into the 280s. Big rally last week. The 286.08 to 288.79 area is a narrow range of resistance that can contain weekly highs. And from here, we can fall back to 210.75 over the next 2 to 3 weeks and over the next month or two into the mid to low 160s. So yes, holding below 288.79, I do think, say, between now and the end of June or sooner, the 156.77 to 162.87 area is likely. This has not changed for the last few weeks. This is what I've been holding to. So this is a sellable resistance area. Now, working our way down from here, we have a 3/8 downside Fibonacci at 259.12. I don't know if we'll see that today, but with last Friday's volatility, it is certainly possible. 259.12 is a solid level, especially if you're short day trader in the 286, 288 region. This is a solid zone to take profits in. If you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, you can sell the 288.79, 286.08 area in anticipation of 241.61. We closed above Wednesday of last week. That then indicated a 288.79 to 286.08 as a 3 to 5 day objective. It took all of 3 days, and here we are. And then, yes, over the next 2 to 3 weeks, continued settlements at or below the 286.08 to 288.79 area will keep this newly formed channel bottom at 210.75 in reach, where a weekly low can be placed, and we could bottom out here for several weeks, possibly back into the 280s again. We now have this sort of new channel bottom that I'm going to respect at 210.75 for its ability to contain weekly selling pressures, and certainly could delay the mid 150s to low 160s. But if you're a big picture trader, like 1 to 2 months, it's still a sale in the mid 280s, 286.08 to 288.79, anticipating over the next month or two 162.87, which is the beginning of a range of long-term 5-year channel support at 156.77 that can absorb selling through the rest of the year and quite possibly well into next. On the other hand, if we do close today above 288.79, I see no good reason to be playing the short side in Tesla. In fact, you want to go long aggressively so, and I think this is a 3 to 5 week rally. Could be as little as 2 to 3 weeks at 379.35. On the way up, we have 319.02 as a 3/8 upside Fibonacci off that December high against the more recent early April low. And so there is a scenario here. I don't know if we'll see it or not, but if we clearly open today, for instance, above 288.79 with last Friday's volatility, we just might reach 319.02 today. In fact, I would call that the upside day trade. Pushing, especially opening above 288.79, allows 319.02 by the closing bell. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.